I have hopefully got a cool new update to a tool to show you. If you like knowing what's happening with your keywords, this is the place where you want to have a look. So this is an update to the eRank's Spotted on Etsy tool. If you've used that in the past, it's a tool that I've always loved, but it was getting a little, the bigger your shop is and the more listings you've got going on, it could get a little clunky to see everything. So it's had a redesign, some additional featureiness that I think you're going to love. You get there either on this top bar here, Spotted on Etsy, or Shop, Spotted on Etsy. And this is a roll together of the Spotted on Etsy and Monitor tool, because in my mind they were always the same tool anyway. So it's kind of cool. So here you'll hopefully see something a wee bitty different. Rather than the, what was it, 4 or 5 different tabs, each with different data on them, everything has been put into one page. But everything and more is still there, which I think is pretty cool. First of all, to get those keywords to monitor, the ones you want to track, you just type them in here. You can get rid of them. You just click on that and then you confirm you want rid of them. So you can add or take away keywords right from the main page, which super easy and cool. Hope you like that already. But what we've got here, I'm going to start with the eRank monitor. So this is when the eRank little robot jumps into the Etsy API and searches for the keywords to see, searches once a day to see where you are ranking in search for the keywords that you've chosen to search for, and any bonus keywords. We have eRank, I say we, I also work for eRank, but videos on this channel are my own, but I got the sneak peek to be able to share this with you. So we at eRank have a massive database of loads and loads of keywords, so as well as the keywords that you've put in. So this means you can see more than your quota of keywords, because the little robot's going to search for all the keywords we have in our database. So I believe free accounts can only add one, it's probably one keyword to monitor, but you still get all the bonus ones for free, so you'll still get a load to see here anyway. So what you'll see is what listing's been found. So this is my listing that has been found, what keyword it's been found for. The search trend is that normal little search trend graph you see on eRank telling you how many people are searching for a keyword, excuse me. So you can see if it's seasonal, like I think this one, yeah, oh, spikes in January last year. That's interesting. But that'll be an October spike, November spike, yeah, for a black cat bookmark. But gives you an idea. So I'm getting spotted. I'm on page 2 for cat bookmark. So I could possibly rank a little bit higher, but it's not the most amazing keywords, but that's the nature of the things I make. It's lots of little keywords instead of one really massive, awesome one. But you can see where it says eRank monitor, that means the eRank robots found you. You've not got any clicks for that. It was just at 5:55 in the morning. The eRank monitor went for a little troll through the Etsy API, looking to see if any of my listings showed up for cat bookmark. So I can see it was on page 2 at position 25. And this is cool. Remember I mentioned the graphs with the spaghetti? We used to have one graph with all of the keywords on it, and it started to look a bit bad. So now you have your individual graph for each individual listing for individual keywords. So you can see that's the same listing, but it's got found for 2 different keywords, and you can see how it's ranking over time for them. If you hover over, you'll see what the rank is over time. So super cool, I think, but let me know. So couple of good things I use this for. Well, firstly, put in your superstar keywords, the big ones that drive all your traffic. And then if you feel you're getting less views or less sales, quickly click on here, look for the superstar keywords and see, am I still ranking? You know, like if you see that, that's great. That means I'm still in a steady place. If I'm not getting loads of sales, it's just because nobody's looking just now. If you see it go up and down all over the place, that can also be normal. It just depends. Other people's listings someone might have sold an item and they got a boost for a day and then you're back. So that's good to see. But none of mine are really absolutely dropping off, which is good. But you can see dog memorial art is climbing slightly, so you might be thinking, hey, when it turns up that there's a spike in the in the searches, I might be in the right place for that. So it gives you an idea of that. And also, if you're aiming for a new keyword, you've just made a new range of items, pop in those keywords that you're aiming for, and then you'll be able to come back and see. You'll usually see with a new listing, you'll maybe rank slightly higher and it will drop away over time. And that's just saying you didn't do so good in search when you were shown, so you're dropping down to a lower ranking. Or if you see it suddenly shoot up, it's like, whoa, customers really liked that one. So that's what you can see there, but there is more, isn't there always? If we hit this spotted by again, spotted by Etsy visitor. So this is because my listings are because my Google Analytics 4 GA4 account is connected to my Etsy shop, which is then connected to eRank. That means the Google Analytics data eRank has access to. It's all perfectly above board how you connect up. I've spoke about that in videos in the past. But because eRank now has that data, it's able to show you. So it's able to show you someone from the United States in Phoenix at 4 o'clock in the afternoon searched for the words corgi butt bookmark, which doesn't have many people searching. This is a good way because searches, sometimes it's only a handful of people searching, but it still might be a good enough keyword. So they searched for corgi butt bookmark. They saw my item on page 1 at position 24 and they clicked on it. This is an actual visit to your shop. So super cool to be able to see that. You won't see the rank trend graph unless it's a term that the Etsy monitor is tracking for you, because the thing is, where I could have like 6 people have searched for that keyword and they'll have all seen me in a different place on the same day because of personalizations with Etsy. The API shows you where you're ranking without the personalizations. So that would get too confusing. So that graph isn't in there. But then you've got all the things what people have searched for, where they found you, and it can be really cool as well. I mean, corgi is a much bigger keyword. It's falling away this year, but it was big for me last year. And you see, I was on page 9. They searched through 9 pages before they clicked on my item. And the final thing I want to show you here, it's not just yesterday anymore. At this drop down, we can look for the past week or the past 2 weeks. So if I click on that, super handy to see. So then you get much more data. Hopefully you're seeing all the keywords, corgi iron-on patch. So yeah, this is a good one actually. If you see a keyword like this, corgi iron-on patch, someone searched, they clicked on my item, but it's not relevant. That is a corgi bookmark. So there's no point me worrying about that keyword. That's not a relevant one. Someone searched through 6 pages and they liked the look of my item. Good for them. Not a relevant keyword. But corgi gifts, is it relevant? Yes. I'm on page 8. Maybe I want to do a little bit better for this. So you could take that keyword, corgi gifts. I can't just copy it. Can I just copy it with my keyboard? And by the way, if you clicked on that, it would just take you to the keyword tool. That would take you to the listing audit for your listing. But you can add something that you like the look of, and then the eRank monitor will start looking for corgi gifts for you once a day. So I found a keyword there. See, corgi butt bookmark, and you can see now that was an Etsy visitor who found me. So it's the Google Analytics that showed this, but because this is a keyword that I'm being tracked for as well, I'm able to see what the ranking's doing. So although I was showing us ranking at 27, that one customer, when they searched, Etsy thought, hey, they're really going to like Pam's item. I'm going to show them Pam's item. So you get to see the rank trend only if it's something that's been tracked. So next time I come back and check, Corgi Gifts will have the graph as well. And just look through, can you get ideas? I mean, do I really want to focus in on ranking for butts? Probably not. Funny Corgi gift? Quite possibly. So you can get ideas for keywords, you can see what's working for you. I absolutely love it. But let me know what you think. This is a cool change. Some of the eRank team just sat down and said, spotted on Etsy's not doing what we think. Some people are loving one thing, some people are hating others. So everyone got their heads together and this is what we come up with, and I hope you like it. And if you want to know more about it, I've also made a video over on the eRank channel for it. Anyway, thank you so much and I'll see you next time.